In its heyday, Stretham Old Engine helped to keep the fenland farmland from flooding by lifting ditch water into the River Great Ouse. 180 years later, it's still in working order, although it's only turned by an electric motor, so visitors can see how it used to work. When it was in use, the wheel would turn at between 3 and 5 revolutions per minute, and with each of those revolutions it could lift around 30 tonnes of water into the river. Now the old engine's been given a Heritage Award by the Institution of Mechanical Engineers for being the earliest, largest and most complete example of its type. Other engineering feats honoured in this way include the E-Type Jaguar car and Concorde.
It's absolutely wonderful for us to receive this because it does recognise the fact that this engine that has been here since 1831 is still here. It's one of the most important engines in the fen, and indeed the only one that is complete to this extent and also has its chimney.
After the fens were drained to create farmland, the level of the fields dropped. That's why ditch water arriving at the engine house had to be lifted up to be dropped into the adjacent river. The water wheel was steam-powered until 1925. Then this diesel engine took over until the late 1940s, when the engine house was decommissioned.
We're very fortunate in that it was such excellent engineering in the first place. All the parts are original, so they're coming up for 200 years old. So really, it's basically a matter of keeping it clean and keeping it oiled.
It's not just an impressive piece of engineering, it's also an insight into how they kept the fens drained. Stuart Leiths, ITV News, Stretham near Ely.